and you wear the bubble just below your sternum. Okay, the first time when you get your bubble, you'll have to charge it, and it takes about 2 hours to charge it. You just insert the cable into USB port into the bubble, plug it into the wall. It takes about 2 hours to charge it. So once you put it into the outlet, there'll be red flashing light. Once it's fully charged, it's going to be green light. The green light will be flashing, and the charge lasts about 4 weeks. Okay, and you'll have to wait until the charge has completely gone down to 0 before you charge it again. You'll be able to tell that because there'll be no more green light flashing. Okay, now be aware that the bubble is not waterproof. Okay, but if you exercise and you sweat a lot, that's okay. The only thing that you want to make sure is that the bubble is not submerged into water. Now, can you sleep with your bubble? Well, as we know, melatonin production is optimal when it's pitch dark. Okay, so you either can put it under your pillow, you can either put your bubble on your night table, put it upside down so there is no light flashing, or you can choose to wear it on your body. That's your choice. Okay, one last thing, the first time you wear the bubble, you might be sensitive to the frequencies emitted by the bubble, so you can just wear it on top of your clothing on your first day, but then make sure that the next day you put it under your clothing so the bubble is in direct contact with your skin, and the green flashing light should be facing you, should be facing your skin.